that on film. As you can see, I got the box in the truck and I'm gonna strap it down. Well, as y'all can see from my adventure last night, I got the bees moved and cut an opening last night. Cost me a sting on the hand. And this morning they found their way towards pollen. They're returning back. I'll do a close-up. You can see the return of pollen. You can see the pollen on their legs when they come in. I have not yet opened this hive. As you can see, I haven't opened that break in between the two frames, boxes. It's a beautiful day. They're moving. They're also using an entrance on the top box. And deer flies are notorious here. Oh, look at that. Overall, I think this was a successful move. Tell me what you think.